The rise of e-commerce has driven the need for fast, accurate, and efficient warehouse management. Consumer expectations for quick deliveries and accurate orders are higher than ever. In today's fast-paced world, managing complex supply chains demands precision, speed, and transparency. Warehouse management is a backbone of efficient supply chains, yet many systems fall short. That's where blockchain is reinventing the wheel. Leveraging the power of blockchain, we bring unmatched transparency and security to your operations. Each transaction is immutably recorded, ensuring trust and traceability throughout the supply chain, providing peace of mind for you and your customers. Our system integrates Warehouse Management System, WMS, Order Management System, OMS, and Fleet Management System, FMS, powered by advanced AI for predictive analytics, optimized workflows, and real-time insights. From inventory allocation to dispatch tracking, every process is streamlined for maximum efficiency. Seamlessly connect your warehouse to e-commerce platforms. Manage orders, returns, and dispatches effortlessly with AI-driven automation that reduces errors and accelerates fulfillment. Stay in control with our dispatch tracking module, offering real-time visibility into fleet locations, delivery status, and performance. From warehouse to doorstep, track every movement to ensure timely and reliable deliveries. Introducing SpatiumX, the AI-driven and blockchain-enabled omni-channel warehouse management system. Your comprehensive solution for seamless, efficient, and secure logistics and supply chain operations. We address these gaps with a custom digital warehouse management solution designed for flexibility, scalability, and seamless operations. Boost your supply chain productivity with enhanced inventory accuracy, improved efficiency, and space utilization. Our solution supports transport management system functionality for seamless logistics coordination and factoring services that convert outstanding invoices into immediate cash flow, ensuring smooth warehouse operations and timely deliveries. From tracking pallets and shipments to managing roles and permissions, the platform integrates every function, empowering warehouse managers and operators with precise control and real-time visibility. Starting with warehouse setup, our system lets users upload locations via templates or manually for smaller operations. Each warehouse is mapped out with specific storage zones, allowing for easy tracking of standard, oversized, or unique pallets. User management is simplified with role-based access for all warehouse functions, from clerks to loaders. Customizable designations ensure the platform adapts to different regional and operational needs, with access available on both desktop and mobile applications. Onboarding new customers is intuitive, with straightforward entry for contact details and custom portal access. Product data, from SKUs to expiry and batch tracking, is easily uploaded by customers or warehouse staff. Our cross-docking feature combines inbound and outbound processes, allowing goods to be sorted and shipped directly to customers without storage. Stock transfer management allows internal transfers within a warehouse and external transfers between warehouses of the same company, helping optimize seasonal product flows in intra-warehouse logistics. Cycle counting is available to ensure inventory accuracy for high-value items. Counts can be scheduled regularly, with any discrepancies recorded, helping prevent losses due to theft or damage. Invoices are generated monthly, and we support warehouse-specific rate configurations for storage, handling, and retrieval, allowing companies to adjust charges per customer or product. This flexibility accommodates long-term agreements or high-volume clients. For incoming shipments, inbound orders are created specifying product SKUs, quantities, and shipment details. Each item is labeled with a unique license plate number for tracking, scanned on arrival, and marked as stored, with status updates available to customers. Outbound management is equally efficient. Customers or managers create outbound orders, specifying shipping locations and product lists. Each item is scanned, picked, and moved to packing, updating the system on fulfillment progress. Our vendor management feature helps warehouses track suppliers for each product, complete with lead times and shipment histories. Detailed dashboards offer insights on stock levels, backlogs, and shipment statuses, all in real time. Master data management allows customization of warehouse types and security settings, providing enhanced control over operational data. SpatiumX goes beyond traditional warehouse management. It's a comprehensive, customizable solution that transforms supply chain and logistics management. Embrace the future of warehousing with AI, where efficiency meets innovation, driving success every step of the way. Stay tuned for the next video in our tutorial series to understand SpatiumX better.